All right, pretty straightforward. Says here that you're going to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle. And she's asked me to dismiss both of the charges that were issued to you on February 3rd. That's your understanding? Did you read your rights form? You understand those rights and the options those rights give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
No.
Up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail. So $0 to $500 and 0 to 90 days. Understand that? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that added charge today? All right. February 3, 2026, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? I will accept your plea to the added charge and I will dismiss the original charges. Are you working, sir? Where do you work and how long have you been there?
I work with this union out of Ann Arbor 252. I've been there for.
What do they do? What union? How long you been in the union? Okay, good. Where they got you working now? Good, good. Long term, won't it be? You're gonna be there for a while, won't you?
Back it up way good.
Okay, good, good. How many hours a week they giving you? Good. All right, what's the status of your license? Still suspended? You got it back?
She said from you guys, record that it's still suspended, but I paid my ticket in Detroit and they said all I gotta do was at that time was pay the ticket, pay a restate.
Yeah, so those are both correct. So you're still suspended until you pay your reinstatement fee, right? Yeah, yeah. So you still can't drive legally. Right, okay. All right. So you're close.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And it looks like you're currently on a payment plan with us? Is that correct? No, no, you've got a court date coming up June 2nd. You know about that? Okay. All right. So anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you on today's file? Any information you want to share?
Keep my license together, that's about it.
Okay. All right, so the standard on this file is $500 fines and costs. Can you pay that today or do you need some options? All right, you'll get those downstairs. And 4 days on the work program. I assess work program as an alternative to jail. You pick which days you want to work, so you pick your own schedule. The days you pick, you have to be here at 4 o'clock, or excuse me, 8 o'clock in the morning. So how soon do you think you'll have your license straight?
See what's going on? I mean, I'm not sure. I could get it as soon as possible.
Well, what I'm thinking is, right now, transportation anywhere is probably a problem, but once you get your license, then you can drive yourself around. So if you think you're going to get your reinstatement fee paid and get your license reinstated in the next couple of weeks, pick your 4 work days so they're after you get your license back. You follow me?
How long do I have to pick my 4 days?
Well, I want to pick before you leave the building. How long do you have to complete them?
Well,
I want you to walk out of here with a schedule in your hand.
how long of a day is that?
It's generally speaking, they're back by, what would you say, Jamie? 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, work program?
Yes, at the latest is between 2 and 3 scripts.
Yeah.
Do you guys don't do weekends?
I got Saturdays. I'm going to have Sundays coming up. Okay. All right. All right. Go downstairs. Front counter where you sign up for your work days and talk about your payment options. Good luck.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You mean, what are you going to do physically? What do you be doing? It's an alternative to jail. This is a 90-day misdemeanor. So I don't want to put you in jail. So I give you the 4-day work program option. Understood? Anything else?
No, I was just wondering.
Is it Shazier? How do you say it? Shazer? Good morning, sir. Are you going forward today without a court-appointed attorney? Did you read your rights? You understand those rights and the options they give you? And looks like you're going to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate. Is that the deal? You understand the possible penalty for that charge? Up to $500 fine plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail. You understand that? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the added charge freely and voluntarily? All right, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied on February 18 this year? I'll accept your plea to the added charge, sir. Are you working?
No, sir, I can't. Just.
Because of whatever got you limping on that cane? You off on medical?
Yes.
All right, where were you working last time you worked?
I can't look, I get in, access.
Okay, so it's been a long time. Okay, all right. All right, anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? Anything else you want me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence? All right, Mr. Shazer, on your file, fines that cost $550, and I'm going to give you 30 hours community service instead of work program. So community service means charity work. Hook up with a church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, any organization that's registered as a nonprofit with the IRS, volunteer with them for 30 hours, get documentation on their letterhead, bring that to us, and we'll give you credit for that. Understood? All right. As far as the $550, you can talk about payment options downstairs if you cannot pay it today. We can also give you a list of organizations in our area that are pre-approved for your community service. You can find something on your own if you want to, but we've got a list to save you some time. Any questions?
Cities, so it'll be fine. I have the money, I don't have no service.
Two different things. It's $550 fines and cost and 30 hours community service. It's not an either or. Understood?
Yeah.
Questions? Okay, go downstairs, set up some kind of payment plan if you need to. And if you want that list of organizations that are pre-approved, ask for it downstairs.
Pay and still do service.
It's pay and, yeah, it's money and time. So it's community service. Usually I would do work program as an alternative to jail because of your limitations with your leg. I don't want to do work program, so I'm giving you the community service option. Understood? Okay, you're all set.
Good news with the lower body.